Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today my video is about some equipment I purchased to help with my channel. So one of my vision goals for this year was to acquire the appropriate equipment that I felt I needed to improve my channel. So if you're interested in seeing what equipment I purchased, stick around. Okay guys, what I wanted to do is sometimes I do voiceovers and I needed another microphone to do my voiceovers. Now, what I found on Amazon was the Snowball, the ice. I liked it. I wanted it white. That's why it's called ice. I found the Snowball ice. I will include the price somewhere here on the screen and the link at Amazon for this Snowball ice. And when I purchased this, guys, it came with the pop filter free. So 2 for 1, not a bad deal. Now I'm going to show you what the Snowball looks like. Here is my Snowball. It has the feet on it to attachment to make it stand, but you can also attach this to what you call those things. This came with it, one of those arms, but I like this, the feet on it, because I can set it on my desk and I can use it when I'm ready to use it. Now, it's a USB, so I can hook it right to the back of my monitor and record away on my voiceovers. And the editing software I use does have a spot in it where I can click on this microphone and use this microphone here instead of the microphone that comes with the computer that makes me sound like I'm drinking water. Now, the spit guard, the pop filter, that is, this here attaches to this, but I haven't attached it yet, and I plan on doing that, and I'm working on it. You know, I can't untwist things so much with this hand, it doesn't let me untwist things. But I'm getting ready to set I'm trying to get all my equipment up and set my recording area up in my office / makeup room to have everything going just like I would like for it to go. So guys, if you're interested in the Snowball, the link for Amazon, as I said, will be listed down below in the description box. And if you like my contents, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share my videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then, guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed here on the screen as well as down below in the description box. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, working on my visions for 2019 with the Snowball Ice. Thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.